Yeah, so this is the kickoff to the Dine Out Tri-Cities series, right? Eat Your Heart Out is the name of the series. And so the proceeds from tonight go back to the hospital as part of the funds that go towards equipment, which about 70% of our equipment comes directly from the foundation and directly from money that the foundation earns. So over the 2 weeks following this, right, the February 24th to March the 8th, there is a Dine Out series where people can go, and for $35 they get a 3-course meal, $10 of which comes directly back to the hospital. So right now we have Dr. John Warner, who's the head of our urology department, is looking for about $200,000 in equipment for early detection of bladder, prostate, and kidney cancers. So that's where the foundation is concentrating on fundraising for. Well, as I said, it's significantly important because about 70% of our equipment comes directly from the foundation and from the fundraising efforts that the foundation does. So capital costs and equipment, primarily the foundations of hospitals raise that money, right? So really about 30% comes from the government and 70% from the foundation. So it's huge, right? We couldn't possibly have the equipment we have without the foundation and without people contributing in the community.